Hello guys! Did you miss me in the first part of my Super Mario Maker World Engine video, you guys? So, I'm making a part 2 now, and it's Monday. Super Mario Maker World Engine. So, I decided to make it. Alright, let's go. Okay, so first is the menu. This is the game where you can create the favorite background. Change the timer to 500. Even though it's so risky. Now I'm gonna show you the first level. Okay guys, are you ready for my level? Then let's go! Of the level. Alright, the credits. All of the people made this Mega Mario Bros. 789. Everybody loves this game. Gabriel Gamer. And there is the Team Mario or the Mario. Yeah. There's a Julia, Lexker, Mario, Gurif. Hello, Mario Engine is here. It's powered. Bye. Bye, you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll make another part of this game. Okay, you guys? I'll make another part of Super Mario Maker World Legend. Bye-bye.